everyone! This is a quick tutorial on how to download your sticker book, import it into Goodnotes, and how to use our stickers in your digital character journal. If you would like to import your stickers as PNG files, we will also be covering that. This process should be pretty similar in other note-taking apps as well, but it is important to note that the actual sticker book will only work in Goodnotes. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start by downloading our sticker book. This download page is specifically for the sticker book if you purchased it separately in our shop. However, if you purchased one of our bundles that have the stickers included, the same files are included in that download package as well. To start your download, just press the download button. It might take a second for it to load, but it will open up your browser and prompt you about whether or not you would like to download this file. So just go ahead and press download. And as you can see in the upper right hand corner, your file is downloading. It has been complete, so I'm just going to click on it to find where this saved on my device. As you can see, it's right here, the Adventurer's Sticker Pack. It is in my downloads folder. Depending on how you have your settings configured, this might automatically download into your downloads folder, or you might be able to prompt it to save somewhere else. But here it is. I'm just going to move it now to somewhere where it's a little easier to find. So I'm going to long press on it. I'm going to press copy, and then I'm going to go to a different folder here on my iPad called Character Journals, which is where I'm just saving a lot of the files for these tutorials. I'm going to press and hold and press paste, and as you can see, that Adventurer Sticker Pack has shown up in this folder, so now I know exactly where it is. It is easy to find, and I'm just going to tap on it to unzip it. When you open it, you have your Adventurer Sticker Pack, the Goodnotes file, as well as the folder of PNG files right here. So next we're going to import this sticker pack into our Goodnotes app. So let's start with loading our sticker book into Goodnotes. So we're just going to go over to our Goodnotes app here, and we're going to import this just like we would any other Goodnotes document. So we're going to press the plus mark for new, we're going to press import, and then we're going to find this sticker pack here in our files, select it, and press open. It'll take just a second for our sticker pack to open. All right, so there we go. So this is what our sticker book looks like. It has a lot of pages of different stickers. We do have these instructions also posted on the side here so that you can reference that at a different time if you need a little bit of help. So the way that this sticker book works, every single one of these images is its own image file, and they've all been pre-cropped and placed in here so that we can easily copy and paste them over into our character journal. So I also do have my character journal open here, and I'm just gonna bring this over to a blank page for a second. There we go. So I can show you how this works. So our Adventurer Sticker Pack is split up into a few different sections, and they are all hyperlinked, so you can just tap on the section that you want in order to access the stickers that are there. Do note that these categories up here in our sticker pack do exactly correlate with the PNG file folders that we have over here. So all we're going to do here to bring our stickers over into our digital character journal is just tap on one of them. Tap it again so that this little menu pops up, and just press copy. Over here in our character journal on this blank page, we're just going to tap and hold and then press paste. So as you can see, our sticker pasted very nicely. You can use the bounding box here to rotate it or make it bigger or smaller, but there it is. That is the basic gist of how you get the stickers from the sticker pack into your digital journal. If you wanted to copy multiple stickers at the same time, you can just draw the lasso tool around any amount of stickers that you want and follow the same exact process, copying and pasting them into your journal. We specifically designed these stickers to match really well with our digital character journals. They use a lot of the same fonts, a lot of the same styles, and we do even have an entire section made up of some of the different structures that you'll find within our character journal so that you can combine them in different ways and make your own pages. There are also a lot of different shape options just for kind of keeping your own notes, and a lot of different colors for you to play around with. So this pretty much sums up how we import our stickers using our pre-cropped sticker book. And we're just going to talk real quick about importing PNG files. So to import PNG files, the process is pretty simple, and it's actually the same process that we use when we import our spell stickers. So if you've already watched that video, you don't need to see this because it's exactly the same thing. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to go to our files for just a moment and make sure that we are on our PNG file list here for our Adventurer sticker pack. And you can see if you click on these that you do get all of the stickers that are under that category. So in our Goodnotes app, what we're going to do is we're just going to swipe very gently up from the bottom. Don't swipe too fast or you will close the app. So just very gently, we're going to press the folder button and we're going to tap and hold it and then drag it over to this side of the screen. Now, as you can see, all of those categories of those PNG files are right here and ready for us to use. So we're just going to click on one. And then from here, we can just select and move over any of the stickers that we want to use. This is a really great way if you want to very quickly import a lot of different stickers all at once. And of course, through here, you can kind of navigate through some of the different folders and files just to find these stickers and put them in your book. So that is how we import stickers into Goodnotes. We covered both ways that we can use. So real quick, we're actually going to take a look at the same thing in Notability. So Notability doesn't have a sticker book function in the same way that Goodnotes does, so you can't use the Goodnotes pre-cropped sticker book in Notability or any other note-taking apps. But the same process of importing the PNG files does remain the same. So in order to do that, just to reiterate, we're going to swipe gently up from the bottom. We're going to tap and hold the folder button, drag it over to the side. There you have all of our folders. You can just scroll down to find the sticker that you want to use, tap and hold it, and then drag it over onto the page. And as you can see, our sticker has imported very nicely into Notability, and you can repeat this process as many times as you need to with whatever stickers you would like to use. So you can just keep on doing this until you've got plenty of stickers. So it's pretty easy. It's the same exact process, and when you're done, you can just swipe over to the right to get rid of this little menu. You have your stickers imported, and you're ready to go. So that's it. We've learned how to download and import our stickers into our digital note-taking app. We've used the Goodnotes sticker pack with the pre-cropped stickers, and we've also explored how to import PNG files into our note-taking journal. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop us a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our other tutorials and information that we have about upcoming products for Vesper's Vault. Have a good one.